There we are. Flemington Beach, Saturday, about, I don't know what is it, 28th or something, of 27th of, hello Charles, of November. As we say, just another shitty day in paradise. Oh, I've figured out how to make this zoom. Yeah, it's not zooming. What are you doing? Digging a hole, why? And you, what are you doing? Nothing. Alright. Come on guys. Off we go. Off we go. Hey! Come here! Come on! Whoa! Bloody dog's running around in circles around me. Can't find him. Now he's barking at nothing. Okay.